Hello, today I'll be doing the stuffed animal tag, and it's one that I'm going to be inventing. Okay, so today, this is JJ. I've had him since I was 5, and yes, I made a boy. I made this bear a boy when I was 5, yes. This is JJ, and I love it. This is Amber, because Amber's a brown, and I got her in 1997 from my big sister from cheerleading. They had big sisters and little sisters, and my big sister got me this bear. This is Patch, I think. I got him for Valentine's Day from a boy. Gave it to me, my friend, and he's really cute. His name is Patch. This is Minnie Mouse. I got her in 2006 from my sister because she went to California, and so I was happy. And I also got Patch in 2006. This is Bow and Arrow. I named him because of the bows on his fur. And I got it for Christmas, and I don't remember what year. And I like it because it's a tiger. I got this one this year in June. It's a little owl, an owlet. And I love it. And it's adorable. And its name is Swoops. But I call it Chicky Poo sometimes because it's a bird, it's a little chicken. Well, it's not a chicken, but I call it Chicky Poo. And it's cute. Its name is Swoops. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. I got JJ on my birthday when I was 5, and I have many more stuffed animals, but I can't really show them all. So, this is my Toothless. Yes, it's a dragon. And you can squeeze him. And I just wanted to show you my favorite in my vest. This one I got last year, I think, from a boy, my friend, and just wanted to show you my favorite in the vest stuffed animals that I have. That's all.